I think the more you learn about gardening, the more you realize you don't know. As I write, I have to research and learn more. I go to conferences like Ready, Set, Grow, and I'm excited that Ready, Set, Grow is going to have a host of different expert speakers. It's designed for beginning gardeners, getting them started if they've never planted, but then there'll also be things that experienced gardeners can take away. Things like disease, pest control, new plants to try that they may never have tried before. And I've always tried to go to things like Ready, Set, Grow so that I can walk away with a new set of tools and some inspiration to take home to my own garden. I find a lot of people to get started in gardening, they're a little overwhelmed about how to get started. There's a lot that Ready, Set, Grow has to offer for different levels of gardeners.